Let me ask you a question. Are you a real estate investor? What would it mean to you if you had access to business funding, whether it be for fixing up a property, having the cash to purchase a property, paying your contractors, money for continuing education, or just doing some marketing and advertising? The greatest challenge facing real estate investors today is accessing the capital they need to grow. Now, one of the greatest barriers to getting money is that banks aren't lending. Now, getting a business loan from a bank, if by some miracle you are actually approved, it can take months or more from application to closing. For real estate investors, the waiting game can put a real crimp on your ability to take advantage of opportunities. Do you agree? Look, banks also look at a business owner's personal credit history when they determine whether to approve or deny you the loan. Now, one slip up on the personal credit side could cost your real estate business the funding from a bank. Honestly, banks don't like to lend to any business unless they've been established for at least 3 years. And unfortunately, they don't like to lend to real estate investors at all. So how would you like to get $25,000, $50,000, or even $250,000 to fund your business even if you don't have perfect credit? How would you like me to show you how to actually access business credit? Not only that, how would you like me to show you an easy way to actually get a bank loan immediately? Imagine not relying on just personal credit cards or loans from friends or family to finance those investments, paying for the equipment or for really any other expense. Let me ask you, how would you sleep at night knowing that one misstep, it won't cost you your personal savings? Hi, my name is Mark Kane, and along with my wife Vivian, we own CreditWise Advisors. We're a firm that specializes in helping business owners build business credit and then get the funding they need to finance their businesses, more importantly, without sacrificing their personal credit. Now, if you're like me, you probably thought business credit wasn't even an option. See, as a small business owner, I personally guaranteed everything because I just thought that's the way it was done. I even prided myself on how well I did it while growing my internet marketing business. Now, I started with $5,000 on my American Express, as a line of credit, and I played that 30-day float. And over time, I was regularly spending $300,000 on my card every month. Now, if anything went wrong, the expenses, they would have crushed me, okay? I didn't have that kind of money to cover the costs. Now, fortunately, I was lucky enough to avoid disaster. But I can't tell you how many times I woke up at 2 or 3 in the morning with the sheets soaking wet because I was sweating over whether I could make that month's payment and thinking about what if. You know what happens when you're thinking middle of the night, what if our marketing doesn't work? What if we're offering our projections? What if something happens in the market that we have no control over? Look, I don't mind telling you, I was nervous, all right? And you probably feel it too some nights, right? It's tough. And it's especially tough knowing that if things do fall apart, it's not just the business that's going to fail. I mean, look, I know your business is your baby. That's tough enough. But to lose the roof over your head too and then risk your family's income. So, maybe you've been in this situation, or perhaps you've even, waking up in the middle of the night scared that you won't be able to make your payments. See, your mind races with thoughts of losing your family, your home, your car, everything you work so hard to earn. Now, fortunately, it doesn't have to be that way. We can help you build business credit totally separate from your personal credit. So if anything were to happen to the business, your personal credit and assets are protected. Now, we work with small and mid-sized real estate investors just like you, so you can get the business credit and the funding you need using a very simple process, the same process Fortune 500 companies use. So do yourself a favor, make sure you attend my upcoming webinar, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to separate your personal credit from your business credit. I'm even going to teach you an easy way to get a bank loan and give you a strategy to make everyone want to lend you money. I'm also going to be giving away 2 free gifts just for attending that have a value of over $300. So you can either continue to beg and borrow with your personal credit, or you can register for this webinar and let me teach you how to get the money you need for your business. Thanks.